Next topic is construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle ABC, whose sides are equal to 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of the given triangle ABC. 3 by 4 means now whatever the side of a triangle is, given triangle ABC, whatever their sides are, the other triangle side will be 3/4 of the given sides of the corresponding sides of the given triangle. Now, first a given triangle is there. Let's take any triangle. There's a given triangle. A, B, and C. It is a given triangle. Now, we have to draw a similar triangle to this given triangle whose sides are equal to 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle. Whose sides are equal to 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the given triangle. Now, what we are supposed to do here is, we will draw a ray BX making an angle with BC, acute angle with BC. We will draw a ray BX. We will draw a ray BX making an acute angle with BC on the side opposite to the vertex A. Vertex A. So opposite side to that. So this is my ray BX. Now, we will locate 4 points B1, B2, B3 and B4 on BX of any radius. We will take 4 points B1, B2, B3 and B4. These are 4 points. We will name it as B1, B2, B3, B4. All are equidistant. B1, B1, B2, B2, B3, B3, B4. We will join B4 and C. We will join B4 and C. We will join B4 and C. Now draw a line through B3 parallel to B4 and C, which intersect BC at a point C dash. Through B3 we will draw a line parallel to B4C. In the last figure we have already learned how to draw a parallel line from a given point. So we have to draw a line parallel to B4C from the point B3. So for that we will keep our pointer on B4. We will take any radius and we will cut an arc which will intersect BX and B4C at 2 points. These are our 2 points. Name it as P and Q. Now similar radius we will put the pointer on B3. Similar radius we will put the pointer on B3 and cut an arc intersecting BX. Cut an arc intersecting BX and name that point as R. Next, we will measure the length of P and Q with the help of compass. Measure the length of P and Q with the help of compass. We will adjust our radius. Now similar radius we will put the pointer on R and we will cut the arc intersecting the given arc and we will name that point as S. We will join B3 and S. We will join B3 and S and extend the line on BC intersecting BC at a point C dash. through C dash, we'll draw a line parallel to the line CA intersecting BA at point A dash. Again we have to draw a parallel line. So same method we will do. From C, any radius, and we cut an arc intersecting BC and CA at two different points. Name it as X and Y. Same radius. From C dash, we'll cut an arc BC at a point and name that point as Z. Now we measure the length of X and Y. We measure the length of X and Y. From point Z, we cut an arc intersecting the given arc and name the point as W. We will join C dash and W. We will join C dash and W and extend the line intersecting AB at a point A dash. AB at a point A dash. Thus, we get A dash, B and C dash is our required triangle. Now, what does it says? It says the ratio should be 3/4. Now, whenever the scale, it is also known as scale factor. The scale factor, if it is less than 1, if the scale factor is less than 1, the new triangle formed or the similar triangle formed will be inside the given triangle. When the similar triangle formed will be inside the given triangle.